hindi niya okay. So yan lang ang tumutunog. Bios Boss S1 Pro Plus. So okay naman siya. Parang medyo so ito naman siya. Pag acoustic yan ito. Clarity. So wala pa yun. Hindi pa siya kumukuha yun. So very clarity siya. Ganyan siya pag acoustic naman, ganyan siya. Pag gitara, ganyan ang tunog niya, guys. Siyempre, tinola. Ayan. So yung volume dito is alas 2. Ang volume niya is 2 o'clock. Susubukan natin na 3 o'clock. So loud siya, very loud. So ang lakas siya, very loud na yan siya, guys. That's the sound. That's yung sounds niya in acoustic guitar. So we're going to back. We'll be back to the bass disco sound. Okay.
Butterflies are floating like your red hair in the breeze.
So very loud siya, guys. Ayan.
Spring awakening, new love takes me into lilac dreams.
Hindi pa siya na full na sa access.
Lay beside me, whisper softly your
Yung lakas na ganyan, ang access niya is nasa 90%. 90% yung ganyang lakas. Ayan, patugtugin ko ulit.
sweet empathy. Crisp reflections on the water. Love you close to
Wala pa yan, hindi pa yan tumutunog. S1 Pro Plus lang. So I think that's good enough for acoustic. So we're going back to the bass. Try natin yung bass ulit. So we will try the bass, okay? Bass boost. Ayan, with 85% sa access. Sa laptop, 85%. Okay, another bus tayo. Try this one. So we are in the 60% in the access volume. Okay. So that's only one working now. So how much more if together with the L1 Pro 8? Okay. I think for the convention cafe, it's good. Yung Basco is 30% lang. 3% lang yung Basco na ginamit. So hindi makalahati. We cannot go to the up half volume of bass because it's very strong. Boom 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 like that. Okay, another beat. Another beat and then we try another beat. That's only we're gonna try now. S1 Pro Plus. Okay, I think that's good. And I try another one for the last. No copyright.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're listening to DJ Royal Remix.
%, only 60% volume, ayan o. 60% volume. So we add more. And 90%. Volume siya dito sa boss. I think that's good enough. Napaka okay. Malakas siya. Okay na yun siya. So yan, S1 Pro Plus. Pero clarity, wala akong masabi at very loud, so okay naman. And thanks for watching, guys. L1 Pro Plus testing, sound testing. Thank you. Thank you. Michael, follow Michael Angkulan videos in my Facebook and Michael Angkulan music in my YouTube channel. Thank you, guys.